Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Carry Creation. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make this main clutch bag you are seeing on the screen from the beginning to the end. Please make sure you watch the video to the end for better understanding. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's get started. So I've cut out the leather I'll be using to make the clutch bag. I cut out the front and the back panel. I also cut out the handle I will be adding to the clutch bag and the zipper cloth, then I add the zipper mouth to it. Then I also cut out the zipper stopper, and this is the Alex I will be using to make a hole where I'm going to be inserting the handle. Then I will be making use of hook which I'm going to be using to pin the handle together. Now we move to the measurement, and the measurement I'm working with is for the wideness is 9 inches. Don't look at the tape rule, listen to what I'm saying because I'm having issue with the tape rule. So I'm making use of 9 inches for the wideness. And for the height, I'm making use of 7.5 inches. And the measurement for the zipper I cut out is 7 inches length. And for the measurement of the handle, the wideness is 2 inches and the length of it is 12 inches. And for the two zipper stopper, the measurement is 1.3 inches by 1.7 inches. Now I will be fixing the eyelet to the main body, the front and the back panel. So I'll come to the top, I will measure 1.5 inches and indicate it out. Then I'll come to the side, I'll measure 1.5 inches and connect both the measurement together. Now I'll take the eyelet, I'll place it at the center point of it, then I will use the biro to circle it inside to give me a round shape. Now I will take it, I will use the scissors to cut the middle of the circle a little bit. After that, then I will use the scissors to cut it round. Now I will take one out of the Alex, I will insert it inside the hole. Then I will use the scissors to be cutting the mouth of the Alex round this way. After that, I will insert the Alex cover inside it. Then after that, I will be putting down the mouth of the Alex that I cut to the Alex cover. Then I will take the hammer, I will use it to press it down so that it will look very smooth and it will not be only someone. So for the Alex, I add it to the back of the panel twice just to make it more stylish. Now I will be working on the handle. I will take the handle, I will fold each side to the middle this way, then I will fold it together to become one and I will place it under the machine for stitching. So for the other side of the handle, if you wish you can stitch it, but in this video I'm not stitching it, I will make use of it like that. Now I'll be stitching the handle. I'll take one out of the zipper stopper, I will insert the zipper inside it this way and stitch it together. Now I'll be cutting out the essence leather at the mouth. After that, I'll fold it into two this way and notch the midpoint of both sides. I'll also fold the front and the back panel into two and notch the midpoint. Now I'll be stitching the zipper to it, starting from the midpoint to midpoint. Then after that, I'll come to the top and stitch it to the middle for finish stitching. After that, I will turn it over for top stitching. Now I will be stitching it to the back panel. Then after that, I will turn it over so that I can top stitch it. And this is how it looks like after I add the zipper to it. Now I'll be joining the back to the front and the back panel together. Don't forget to make sure that both sides rhyme with each other before stitching. Then I'll also come to the second side. I will close it up by stitching it. Now after sewing each side, I will be closing up the bottom. And this is how it looks like after I stitch it all round together. Now I'll open it up because I will be stitching, like I will be giving the bottom a shape a little bit. So I want you to watch the way I'm going to be stitching the bottom. After stitching the bottom a little bit, now I will turn it to the right side. Now I will be fixing the handle to the bag. Now I will insert the handle to it from both sides. After that, I will place the handle on each other this way so that I'll be able to use the pin to pin it down. Now I will be making a hole at both sides. Then after that, I will take the bottom of the hook, I will insert it inside this first. Then I will place the second one on it and press it together. Then I will take the hook cover, I will join it to it and use my hand to press it. Then I will take the plier, I will use it to press it together so that it will pin down very well. And this is how it looks like after joining it together. After that, I'll pull the handle from the front side. And that is how to fix the handle to it. So we have come to the end of this video on how to make this main clutch purse you are seeing on the screen from the beginning to the end. If you really learned something from this video and you enjoy watching it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye, see you in the next tutorial.